Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to mute Discord in OBS. So let's get started with this quick tutorial. First, open your OBS app on your computer. Once the application launches and you can see your main workspace, direct your attention to the audio mixer section. This is typically located in the middle or lower portion of your screen and displays all your active audio sources. The audio mixer is crucial because it gives you complete control over every sound source being captured during your stream or recording. Now, in the audio mixer, look for the desktop audio channel. This is the source that captures all system sounds, including Discord. Below the desktop audio label, you'll see a speaker icon. Simply click on this speaker icon to mute it. This instantly silences all desktop audio, including any Discord notifications or voice chat. This method works great if you want to quickly mute all system sounds at once. However, there's another solution that gives you more control. In the bottom left corner of your OBS window, navigate to the Sources panel. Here, click on the plus icon to add a new source. A menu will appear with various capture options. From this list, select Application Audio Capture Beta. This feature allows you to capture audio from specific applications rather than muting your entire desktop audio. A window will pop up asking you to name this new source. You can rename it to whatever you want, then click OK to proceed. Giving it a clear name helps you identify it quickly in your sources list later. Next, navigate to the window field right beside the name input. Click on the drop-down menu and select your preferred application from the list. Make sure the application you want to capture is already open and running, as this ensures the app's name will appear in the drop-down menu. Once you've selected your application, click OK to confirm. After completing these steps, your newly added application will now appear in your audio mixer. This gives you individual control over that specific app's audio, allowing you to mute or adjust Discord separately from other system sounds without affecting everything else. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to mute Discord in OBS using 2 different methods. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.